In this video, I'm going to explain you how I did my database lab experiment number 6, that is using procedures and functions. A procedure is a module performing one or more actions. It does not need to return any values, whereas the function, it need to return a value. It must return a value. And the syntax for the creating procedure is I need to use create or replace procedure and the name of the procedure which I want to create, and as declarations begin. I need to begin it, except for some statements and exceptions where the errors can be catched, and I need to end it with the end. And in this, my first query was like I need to create a stored procedure that displays the name and customer ID of the customer whose booking ID is passed as a parameter. For this, I used a query. I created a procedure like create or replace procedure. Procedure name is prom, and I gave the parameters as num in number and is. I given whereas is or as can be used. I give customer ID as number as 5, login name varchar in 20 with a memory 20. I begin the query which I want to get the procedure, that is select customer ID and login name into the customer ID 1 and login name 1 from the customer details table, where my customer details should be equal to the customer ID from the card booking, where booking number is num. So I use the dbms underscore output dot put underscore line is used to print the output from the that you got from the procedure. That is here I got the customer ID and the login name, and I gave n, and here my procedure is created. And my second question was like I need to create a stored procedure that receives the car ID and raise in price as a parameter. It then raises the price of that car in car details table. For this, I created procedure create or replace procedure pro with ID in the number and price in number is as car ID with the number of 5 and base price per details number 5 from the table. And I begin the query by giving update the price details, and I need to set the base price per day is equal to base price per day plus the price which I given, and where car ID is equals to ID, and give n, and this procedure also is created. And my other query was like I need to create a stored procedure which takes booking date and customer ID as input. The procedure should display the number of days and the card has been booked. For this, I used to query create or replace procedure pro booking date and customer ID in number, booking in date and customer ID in number, and is number as num as number, and begin the query select count return date minus booking date into the num from car booking, where customer ID is equals to customer ID 1 and the booking date is equals to booking. And I just print it out as a num, and you can see the procedure is created and it was selected. And my fourth question was like I need to write a procedure that deletes a car record whose car ID number is passed to it. If such car number is not existing, raise no data is found in the exception. For this, I use create or replace procedure pro car ID in the number, and is I begin the query delete from the car details where car ID is equals to car ID. And I raise the application underscore error where car ID is not found. If it is not found, the car ID shows error like car ID is not found. And then my procedure is created. And my fifth question was I need to write a function to display the price of the booking with a given booking number. For this, I created a function where it should return a value. So that I created a create or replace function. Name of the function name is function 5. Booking number parameters which I have given. I need to return the value of the number, this number, and is the price number is equal to 3, and begin the query. Select base price per day into price from price details table, where my car ID is selected from the car ID from car booking, where booking number is equals to booking, and I need to return the price which I have given in the first, and I need to end the function. Now my function is created. So when I give the output, I need to begin. I give the dbms output line from function of 5 of 5, where this 5 is accepted in the booking number, and it shows the output as 800. My sixth query was I need to create a function which count total number of cards having price more than 500. For this, I create a replace a function with a function name booking number parameter. I need to return the number and price number as 3. I given the query with the begin select count into price details from card details, where car ID in select car ID from price details, where my base price per day should be greater than 500, and if this query is executed, I need to return the price and I need to end the function. My function is created, and for the output I given begin dbms output line function of 5, where it takes the booking number 5 row and it executes and shows the output as 4. The seventh query is I need to create a function which display the card details when color is given as input. For this, I declare the type of the variable card details and begin the query as select star bulk colored into a variable name from the card details. And I just gave the DBMS output line as card ID and register number and color, and I need to end the loop. So it checks the color and it shows the output as like this. These are the whole commands I have executed using procedures and functions.